Hello, yeah, my name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi, the author of the book The Tears of a Brilliant Child. I want to talk about this book right now. I want to discuss this book right now. The Tears of a Brilliant Child is actually the book they used for the last competition, the 15th edition of Independent African Literary Competition, which by the grace of God I am the director of programs. In that book, there's a child called Favor. Favor is the lead character in that story. What did Favor do? Favor has been doing so good. Favor had been doing so well that everybody would like to become Favor or be like Favor. Favor was loved by everyone in the school because she takes the first position in the classes. Right from her basic 1 to basic 5, she's been taking the first position. Everyone has been, wow, Favor has been good. One thing that led to this is this. The father and the mother, Mr. Godson and Mrs. Felicia Godson, who is the mother, loved education so much. This man has invested so much in education. They have paid a lot of, they have given scholarship to so many people. And they said their children must be educated. Their children must learn. This made them to keep teaching their children every day. When they are home, they teach their children. They ask their children, let me see your book. Let me see what you studied. Every day, every weekend, they come together to say, they teach themselves in the home. Every weekend, someone will come to teach them within the house. They have their nieces living with them, 2 of them, Eunice and Princess. So this made Favor to love reading, to understand reading so much. Then over time, at a time, pride came in. Favor thought that, begins to think that she's now the best. Everyone loves her. Everyone knows that she is always the best. Everyone knows that she is doing this, she can do this, she can do that. And this made her to stop reading. This made her to drop a little in reading. This made her to say, wow, I'll always take the first position, so why should I bother myself reading? I've always been taking it, so I will take it again. I'll keep taking it. So this, and at that time, 2 of our friends, Mary and Sochima, who were also trying to be like Favor, they started reading. And they begin to enjoy reading so much that at the time they said, Favor, please come, let's go to the library to read. Favor will say, I don't need to go there to read with you. I will always take the first position, so I don't have anything to worry about. Sochima and Mary will always go to the library to read, find themselves under the tree in a school compound to read during break time. They only have little time to play because to them, they are not here to play, they are here to learn something good. So they started doing something, they started reading. And before one says Jack Robinson, they begin to take control, So in basic 5, after the examination, Mary and Sochima took the first position, Mary took the second, and Favor took the 8th position. And she was crying. And some of the friends came to console her and say, Favor, sorry, stop crying. It has happened. She said something to them. She said, now that I know that I have to read my books every time, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night, I don't need to pretend. I don't need to say that I've known it all. I need to keep reading. This is the only way for me to come back and take my position. What is this book telling us? This book is telling children that even if your school likes you, everyone encourages you, everyone says you're the best, Don't think you are the best yet. You are not the best. There are so many people ahead of you. Wherever you are, don't think you are the best. So I use this book, Tears of a Brilliant Child, to encourage children to read, to encourage children to understand that the future is what matters. It is not about your position in your class. No, it's about the future. It's about what you know. It's about what you want to give to the world tomorrow. The world is large, but you cannot make use of whatever opportunity tomorrow if you don't read today. I encourage you that you're looking at me right now. Read your book. Don't say you've known it all. Don't say you because your teacher loves you, that means you don't read again. Have time to read. Do not depend on examination malpractice. It does not pay. Even when your teacher says, let me tell you the answer. No, say, teacher, I don't want it. I want to write what I've known. I want to write what I've read. Because this is what matters in my life. Read. Read. And read. Bible even said, study to show thyself approved. This is the only way for you to say it, for you to become that person you want to become in life. So that what happened to Favor will not happen to you. Favor cried a bucket full of tears. Favor cried every time. Favor cried every minute. Favor said, let me go back to my parents and even take their own punishment because I know they're going to punish me. This has not happened before. I've not taken the second position, let alone the 8th. Favor was crying, so that what happened to Favor will not happen to you. I encourage you to read. I encourage you to read. Read so that you become that person you want to be in life. Thank you. My name is Chidi Ikenna Amobi, the author of that book, Tears of a Brilliant Child. Favor was brilliant. But at the end of the day, she cried. She cried. Don't let your end point be filled with tears because of lack of preparation or lack of whatever you can think of. Read to learn, not just to pass examinations. Thank you. My name is once again Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Bye. Keep reading and you become my friend. Thank you and God bless you. I love you. Bye.